here as well. Very interesting little insects. So all these black and orange insects over here.
The insects are.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's moving.
Yep. So you notice at the end of it, there's like little pincers. So those are very distinguishing characteristic of this type of insect. Also, there's even something in the hole as well. Don't know what it is.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Spider.
Spider or what? Coming
Yeah.
out.
Is it spider? I can't tell.
His
Yeah.
protection.
Yeah. Cyana moth.
moth ah?
Moth.
Well, you regularly all are expert.
See before lah. Slowly learn over
So
time.
this is their protection.
Yeah.
They spin it themselves. Or?
Feel like a web.
If I remember correctly, so these caterpillars also have a lot of hairs, like the one that we saw just now. So I think this protection is a remnant of the hair. So they reuse the hair to make